We're doing some 1031 planning for a client who purchased a property for $800,000, put $100,000 into it, and is selling it for $2.3 million. Now, when considering the replacement property, one may think, oh, just get something for $2.3 million. Well, the challenge with that is we have to consider that we're going to have depreciation recapture on all of the amount that we depreciated and deducted from a prior year's cost segregation study, which resulted in about $280,000 of write-offs that we have to recapture and pay taxes on. So we want to go bigger with our replacement property to maximize our depreciation. We hope to roll this into a new property where we're using our profits and leveraging it to a larger property that will give us access to greater amounts of depreciation to offset that recapture, give us future depreciation and also future income and greater profitability. Stay tuned for more tips.